What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Apparently I cannot make this bomb thingy here go away due to this stupid recording. Anyways, welcome back. Okay, we got shots fired right away. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So yeah, let's get right into it. We are going quickly today. Let's go through the sheriff's office. Vest, cover, I like long sleeve shirts. Sorry about that. Just trying to figure out which good setting it is. So yeah. Sheriff is there's a bunch of different cars. I like this car. You know, it's a free car. I really like it. They should actually change their sirens work, lights work, directors work. Here we go. We're gonna go 10, 8. So yeah, today guys, I'm gonna run this red light. Shh, don't tell anyone. So the Liberty County, Lincoln County Sheriff's Office pack in Broken Society. If you join their thing, it don't cost anything. But if you do want to buy it for some weird reason, it costs 50 Robux, which isn't too terribly saying how much the other passes are, which I just bought the $1,000 pass. And stupid. So yeah, I'll make a video on that coming up shortly. So let me get into town here. See how many people are actually playing today. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What teams are bird even? So I'll be turning left here. Guys just only on this one. I'm pretty sure I just ran a red light, but whoops. Sorry about that. Pretty quiet. SWAT team is there. Stop here, make sure this guy's okay. By who? Not sure, but he was in the neighborhood and ran. What car was he? What car was he driving? A minute. Look like a red Charger, maybe. Okay. I'm gonna go. Got shots fired. So a red Charger? This is Charger Challenger. Like a red Charger. So slash that. Bolo on a red charger. I'm gonna head this way, see if he wanted a gunshot. I am a... You know what? This guy's just following me. Yes. What do you need? Let's go try to find this red charger, by the way. This guy's just running now from me. I taste him. Why are you running? Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots! Shots fired! Shots fired! It's that cop. It's still that cop. I'm claiming it's that cop. Let's go kill that cop, and then we'll be done. Long sleeve vest cover. I don't care about my belt right now. It's that cop. It's still that cop. I'm claiming it's that cop right now. He was... Let's get out. Push my car. You stupid car. Come on, let's go. This is going to be a 10-minute video. Thank you guys so much for whoever's still watching this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below that you did that. Who has a white name? KSP. Holy smokes! The server grew. Holy mackerel. Well, looks like my guy died. So no chance going after him. Let me stop right in here. Do an outro here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below. Never mind. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, all this stuff. Please, for my sake and everyone else's, have a nice Super Bowl weekend. And be safe. Bye.